Hey friends! Today we're gonna draw and color some yummy vegetables. So, let's get started. First, let's draw a bell pepper. I'll start with a bumpy round shape like a crown at the top. Then I go down with curved lines to make the body of the pepper. Don't forget the little stem on top. Now I'm coloring it bright green! Doesn't it look fresh? Next is the brinjal, also called an eggplant. Let's draw a small cap on top with long curvy shape like a balloon. Purple and green. Wow, this one is super shiny and colorful. Now it's time for some broccoli. I'll draw a thick stem going up and then lots of bumpy shapes for the top part. This part looks like little clouds. Let's color the stem light green and the top part dark green. Healthy and strong. Time for the potatoes. We'll draw two oval shapes, one big and one small. Coloring them light brown. Add some little lines to show the rough texture. likes potato fries. And last, let's draw a carrot. Start with the long triangle shape and add some leafy greens on top. Add tiny lines on the carrot to show its texture. Let's color the carrot orange and the leaves green. Crunchy and tasty! Yay! We did it! They all look so colorful and healthy. Bye, friends! Let's meet in the next video! And do like the video and subscribe our channel for such videos. Also share with your friends.